What's going on, everybody? This is Plarail Guy 1 here, and I'm doing the unboxing review of Plarail Caitlin. Now, I bought this on eBay last month after Christmas. So, after Christmas, I was like, hey, I got a $25 eBay card from one of my aunts. I decided to purchase this off of eBay. So, anyway, let's take a look at the box first. Nice little promo of Caitlin over there. That's the info about her. Very nice. Now, what I've known in late 2014, there was the Plarail Caitlin and Connor set from King of the Railway, which features Connor and Caitlin, and there's a special crown that comes along with the set. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now, I will compare this with the Trackmaster Caitlin, which we will take a comparison soon. Here's the back of the box. So, there you go. So, let's go ahead and unbox Plarail Caitlin, and this will be in fast motion. Okay, so here we have Caitlin, her tenor, and her very own coach. So let's take a look at the coach first. Basically the same thing as her color, especially the wheels. I do like the design of it. As you know, last year I uploaded a video on the Plarail sets that are coming from 2018. And yet this almost, and it was almost complete. Overall, I just need the Plarail Red Rosie. I can buy another eBay card. Then it'll be all set, hopefully. And upcoming are the Big World Big Adventures Plarail set, which features Thomas, Nia, and Tomika Ace, which that's very nice. And season 22, there's Plarail Rebecca, which I will get those soon, hopefully, when they come out. Oh, marks everywhere. There you go, Ollie. There you go. A very nice sender. Bufferitis. But that's okay. And now here's the main engine. Caitlin. Yeah. Caitlin herself. In her full glory. Now I think I know this. She is based on a Baltimore and Ohio Streamlined Locomotive. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I do like this model, pretty much like the Trackmaster 1. I don't know why this is red. Is it just me, or is it a factory error? Anyway. It's the back of it. Back of Caitlin. Yeah. I kind of like the model overall. Even though it has that big face, like the Plarail Connor. Well, one of the newest motors in the Plarail range. It runs on a AA battery and it runs great. That's kind of loud. Ooh. Kind of fast. Before we do the run, I like to take this Plarail Caitlin and compare it to the Trackmaster Caitlin. So we'll get her out. And There she is. And the tenders. So, let's take a look at the tenders first, because why not? Small to large. As you know, I'll customize the Trackmaster one a little bit, not that much. You see, I did the difference between this one and this. This is white and gray. This one is white with light blue on it, I think. Oh, this one is taller. If you count the coal. I say this coal's probably the best one, but I wouldn't argue with the Trackmaster one because it's thinner. I think it's a bit thinner, and this one's a bit fatter. Different wheel scheme of these tenders. Now, what I've noticed that the Trackmaster Caitlin has a darker shade of I won't say pinkish reddish, and the Plarail Caitlin has a lighter scheme of pinkish reddish color. Let's take a look at the engine itself. So here we go. I think I see that the Trackmaster Caitlin is kind of a bit taller than the Plarail one. Looks like the Trackmaster one is a bit taller. So yeah, here's the engine. As you know, this is a bit darker. The Trackmaster one is a darker paint than the Plarail one. Quite weird. Just the back. I have no idea why, but I prefer the Trackmaster versions of Caitlin and Connor over the Plarail ones. I think that's probably because these kind of look a bit fatter than the Trackmaster ones. So yeah, they both run great. Oops. Can't wait to see how this performs on the railway. Alright then. Let's give Plarail Caitlin her run. We're at the railway, and here comes Plarail Caitlin's run. So here's the hill climb. Oh, it's kind of a weak hill climb, but she runs very fast. Kind of struggled a bit, but that's a nice hill climb. As I always say, before we end this video, I decided to do a race. Yes, another race. And it's between Trackmaster Caitlin and Plarail Caitlin. So I'm not sure if this is going to be close or a blowout because this one is faster than the Trackmaster one. I'm amazed by that. Well, here goes nothing. In 3, 2, 1. Racing. Oh, this is pretty close so far. The Trackmaster one is on the inside track, while the Plarail one is on the outside track. Boy, did the Plarail Caitlin turn on the jets? Look at her go. That was lap 2. Alright, there's the final lap. Wow. Plarail Caitlin is the winner. Kind of a close one. At least it was a close race. Not like all the others, which was bad. So YouTubers, there it is. The boxing review of Plarail Caitlin. Now you've been thinking, will I replace the Trackmaster Caitlin with the Plarail Caitlin? Well, the answer is no. Simply because I just think the Trackmaster Caitlin and the Trackmaster Connor, I think they fit to me. I think they're the right size, right height. They just make sense to me. Not like Steven Garcia 118. He uses both Plarail Connor and Caitlin. So what do I think about this Plarail Caitlin? I'll just say this, but the Plarail Caitlin is a bit fatter than the Trackmaster. But overall, the locomotive is not too bad. I like when Plarail added the express coach for very own coach. I like the Trackmaster one, which was cheap. You know, like one of those coaches, like it was just a band with a sticker on it. I mean, that was cheap. I was cheap to do. I believe that's when Trackmaster started declining before Trackmaster 2 released. They should have done it like this or this. Like my custom ones back in 2013. You know, I'm not going to talk a lot of info or all the info about Caitlin, since I've done the review of Trackmaster Connor and Caitlin back in spring 2015. So, the reason why I bought this Caitlin is that I'm going to make Plarail Frida from Germany. Yes, I am still trying to make all the characters from the Great Race, or get all the characters from the Great Race if I can. I mean, I heard there was Trackmaster 2 Gina. I might buy her soon, which I think it was a waste of time to do. Also a waste of time trying to make Yumbao, since Trackmaster 2 released Yumbao and the Plarail 1, which is coming this year. We're not talking about the custom, we're talking about Caitlin. So the reason why I decided to let this Plarail Caitlin to make Frida, because I think it was the right shape and the right form and the right size. I mean, I'm not sure about that because making a custom is not easy. Making a custom character out from a show, out from the Thomas & Friends show or the Railway series is not easy. Because you have to get the right shape and the right form to make it as identical as possible to the books or the television show. So, I think that's about it. That's all I have to say for this video. This is Plarail Guy 1 here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. This video teaches you American engines. Yeah, America. Heck yeah.